All right, so what do you get when you combine two things that I love, video games and investing, and you put them together? You get Unity. This video, we're gonna look at Unity's IPO and should you buy Unity's IPO? So stay tuned. What's going on, you guys and girls? My name is Jose. Welcome back to RicoSuave Investing. If you want to learn about the stock market, investing, and financial freedom, then you came to the right place. So make sure you click the like button and subscribe. Also, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. So today we're going to look at Unity, and I was very excited to do this research because, as you know, I love video games and I love investing. So two things that I love, it was easy for me to combine them and do the research for you guys. So relax, lay back, and let's get started. But before we begin, I want to give a shout out to my patrons. These people right here are my superheroes. They get a shout out on all of my videos, access to my new Discord, free access to my marketing masterclass, stock market news, portfolio updates throughout the week, and more. You can also find their links to their channels in my description. I'm on YouTube a couple times a week, but I'm on Patron and Discord every single day. So if you don't want to miss anything, the link to my Patreon is going to be in the description. Only $1 per month. Now back to the video. All right, so the first thing I want to point out is that they did file for IPO paperwork on August 24th, according to NASDAQ.com. Now, they're going to be listed under the ticker symbol U for Unity Software. Now, also, as you can see right here, they're going to be offering at the beginning. At first, they're going to be offering 100,000 shares. So very exciting. Let me know if you guys are looking forward to this Unity software. But let's look at the games because to me, it's all about the games, baby. I want to see how they compare with the competitors like Epic Games and all that. So let's check this video out real quick. All right, so this video we're going to look at right now is coming straight from the Unity YouTube channel. It's a 1-minute video that shows the potential and the power of the Unity engine. Okay, and I thought it was very interesting for us to check out real quick and see how they compare with, with other competitors like Epic Games and all that. So let's check it out. Role-playing games. Okay. Wow, so really interesting, guys. I'm very impressed. I mean, they have some really nice shoot 'em up like Call of Duty Mobile and all that. They have some really nice RPG games, and they even do Wasteland. So wow, very impressive resume for Unity. Very impressive. So let's check out to see when this IPO is happening and what are the details. Investors are seeking to know Unity Technologies' IPO date after the company revealed its plan for a public listing in an SEC filing on August 24th. The filing makes clear that Unity Technologies, also called Unity Software, is gearing up to go public. It also details the company's major shareholders. But the filing doesn't reveal everything investors may want to know about the Unity Technologies IPO plan. Unity Technologies is a video game development platform. The company says 93% of the world's top 100 game development studios are its clients. Its notable clients include Tencent, Electronic Arts, Take-Two Interactive, and Ubisoft. But when is Unity Technologies going public? Unity Technologies IPO hasn't been set, but could happen in the coming weeks. However, Unity has revealed enough for investors to know about its public plan. For example, the company plans to trade in a stock exchange on the ticker symbol U. Unity Technologies prospectus also reveals the company's revenue jumped 42% to $541 million in 2019, but it made a $163.2 million loss that year. Its revenue jumped 39% in the first half of 2020 to $351 million. So here's a company that is producing content, is always out there. Now, it's not always profitable, right? They reported a few losses last year. It's a very sought after, very trusted company with lots and lots of potential. Unity's executives and board of directors also have substantial stakes in the company. This is always a good indicator whenever the CEO has owned shares of the company. For example, Unity CEO owns 3.4% stake in the business, while the co-founder and board member David Helgeson owns 4.4% stake in the company. Collectively, Unity executives and directors own 34% of the company. And as of June this year, Unity Technologies had a total of 782 shareholders. So very cool, very cool. So what is going to be the price for one share? Well, Unity Technologies had yet to price its stock for the upcoming IPO. It has promised to price the IPO and disclose the number of shares on offer at a later date. On pricing, however, Unity's IPO filings offer some clues. The company reports in its IPO prospectus that it sold preferred stocks for $20 to $22 per share between May 2019 and April 2020. So we're looking at somewhere, between 20 and 22, or maybe $25 per share, which, will be good for us investors. And it has raised $375 million in the process, so it might be a little bit more. But yeah, there you have it. Very interesting, very cool. For $20 to $25 or something like that, get a share of Unity. Of course, they're not profitable yet, and they're not going to be paying dividends or anything like that for you dividends investors out there. This is a growing company, and mainly the reason why companies go public is because they're trying to raise money. Now, Investment News reports that according to Unity's prospectus, the company has 1.5 million monthly active creators in over 190 countries and territories. The created content was downloaded over 3 billion times a month in 2019. Unity also says that 53% of the top 1,000 mobile games on the App Store, on the Apple Store and the Google Play, right, were created in with its platform. So this is a very powerful, very used and sought after software and platform that all these game developers and app developers use. Good for Unity. For those who are wondering why now, why does Unity want to go public now? Well, Epic Games is Unity's top competitor, and the company is the maker of the game Fortnite and the Unreal Engine platform. It also happens to be in a big legal battle with Apple, if you guys didn't know. Apple kicked Fortnite out of the App Store, claiming that the new direct payment system violated Apple guidelines. They tried to circumvent, it went around Apple, the Apple Store. They didn't want to pay the 30% that I think Apple takes from every app sale, and that's against their rules and terms of regulations, right, of Apple. So, rightfully so, they kicked them out of the App Store, and now they are in this big legal battle, and there's this dispute on court. So it will be very interesting to see what happens with that. Epic responded to the lawsuit by accusing Apple of anti-competitive practices for app distribution and related payments. So what's happening is pretty much the App Store and the Google Play, they own the market. If you want to sell your app, you have to go through one of these two mediums. Well, Epic is just saying that this is, goes against, anti-competitive practices. If you remember back in the 90s, Microsoft had a similar lawsuit against it because it was shipping PCs that contained their browser, Internet Explorer. So that was, they were bundling it together, and they were not really giving the other search engines a fair chance at competing. So something similar is happening right here with the Apple and Epic Games. Now, as the result of this lawsuit, the new version of Fortnite is not going to be available in the Apple platform or the Apple Store, and this is a great time for Unity to take advantage of that and push out their products. Analysts believe now could be the perfect time for a Unity IPO in order to surpass its biggest competition, like I was just saying. And since there's no Epic Game stock, offering Unity stock gives investors the chance to invest in one of the biggest gaming technology platforms in the world. So I'm very excited. I'm a gamer, like I say, and I'm an investor. Just to do things that I love, and I can't wait for this IPO. I'm probably going to be investing in it. It's a little bit of a spec stock, but you know what? We all got to take chances sometimes. Look what's happening with Tesla. Now, of course, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research, of course, but I'm just sharing my opinion with you guys. In industries other than gaming, Unity estimates a market opportunity of $17 billion. This number is based on the number of software developers, architects, and designers Unity believes it could serve. So there's a market out there. There's a big market. They took a look at the marketplace and they believe that they can grow the business and grow in the number of customers that they acquire. With Epic Games knocked off the Apple platform, Unity has the opportunity to take a larger part of the market than its competitor. And if you want to look at Unity's prospectus, I'm gonna leave a link in the description below to this article, and it's basically their S1 that indicates all the details about the company and all the financials and all that. All right, and that is everything we know right now about Unity's IPO. If you know anything else, make sure you leave it in the comments below. But as you can see, this is a great platform, a very powerful engine compared to Epic Games as well. So with Epic Games out of the question or out of the picture, they can take advantage right now and push their product and go IPO and get investors really, really excited about it. I'm excited, can you tell? So let me know in the comments below, are you gonna take part in Unity's IPO? If you are, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you support the channel on Patreon. What is your favorite Unity video game? Let me know in the comments below. As always, make sure you take care of yourselves, and I'll see you soon.
I bring up the pain, RicoSuave is the main. I make the market rain like acid rain. An investing channel you ever known, ya. I take your girl, your house, your money, and leave you broke, son.